I'm in a robot. See, Mom, I'm in a robot.
Huh.
And for some reason, I am all black.
Looks like I'm all black, too.
Wait, on your screen, am I all black?
Yeah.
On my screen, you're normal.
Well, look at my hand.
That's weird. Anyway, so we're doing the robot fighting. We did a practice of it, but I made it better. Now we have wood, so it doesn't burn as fast. And I tried to fix the TNT cannons. First, introductions. This is your truck with tank tracks, but I think the gun's a little ugly. Yeah. And it's got these two guns on the front. Shoot your fire charges. Can you get in?
Get in.
You just got in. And Mom, this is how you get to your safe area, because in each one, there's this little safe area.
I gotta hit the lever again. Oh, what did I just do? Shit, what did I just do?
Stop pressing stuff!
I only did it once. I thought that's how I opened my safe room.
No, you're safe. You have to go in the back to open the safe room.
Oh, okay.
Well, now I know I gotta fix these TNT cannons.
I still can't break it with no.
No, Mom, you take the stuff out of it. Okay.
Why would I want to do that?
To put it on.
But I like those little bag thingies.
Oh my. Just put the stuff on.
Yeah.
Why do you want to pick it up?
Because those bag thingies are cool.
Okay.
No?
So now you gotta put your armor on.
Now you're not black anymore.
Wait, what? On my screen, I still am.
Why is it only my pants and my jacket are on there? Whatever.
You gotta get your sword down there.
No, on my screen I'm all black.
Yeah, but, so yours is a truck on tank wheels, but mine's cool. It's a cute little shark with its tail and its wing, and fins, not wings. And then the thing that shoots the fire charges are its mouth. And up here there are two mini sharks, which hold the TNT cannon.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, we each get one TNT cannon, some fire charges, and we try to blow each other up. The objective is to kill each other. Yay. Instead of just blowing each other up, we're supposed to kill each other. Because last time you said I won, but I just blew your thing up.
Alright, I'm ready when you are.
Okay. Give me a second. 3, 2. Wait. I forgot something. Okay. Ready. Set. Go.
I can't, hold on. I can't hit my thing.
Okay. Ready? Okay, just start pressing it. Just press it.
Alright.
Just press it over and over. Oh.
And what's the TNT cannon do? It fires at you or it blows my ship up?
Fires TNT at me. Or at least it's supposed to. I just tried to fire it at you, but it's burning!
Yeah, so am I. I gotta get out. I'm burning now.
Oh, God.
How do I stop, drop, and roll? I'm on fire! Alright, I'm done.
You dead?
No, I've stopped burning.
Well, I'm hiding in my little room.
Yeah, my safe room's done. Like, I couldn't even get to it.
Oh.
Because I was on fire when I tried.
Problem. Now I'm stuck in my safe room.
I set my ship on fire, I think, when I did my
When you did your what?
TNT cannon.
That can't light your ship on fire. Let's look at mine. Oh, God.
No.
Yay. Mine didn't take too much damage, did it?
No, mine's done. Like, mine's completely done.
Yeah. That's our first official one. The other was just practice, and I won both. How come every time I start and you can't fire?
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing left of yours.
I shouldn't have used my bow. I should have just went after you with a sword.
That's what I did.
I know.
I tried to make it last longer, but you still got destroyed. I tried to make it last longer by giving us wood, and our armor makes it so fire and explosions don't do as much damage to us.
Alright, we're gonna start back.
Yeah.